Welcome CNG 124 to week 14. Um, let's see, this right here. Oh yeah, this is interesting. So right here we have the old video for Chive University, and kind of in my off time. Let me see if I can pull it up. I should say definitely in my off time. Even while I'm here at work, I watch training videos just to stay sharp. And some of the places I get these are like Chive University. And make sure the shirt goes to where I want it to go. Yeah. So here we go. I look for basically ways to maximize my retaining of information. Online courses, make the most out of my time. Let's see. Lifestyle, travel. I don't know. Let's view all. No, maybe. But anyways, I watch these for discounts. Watch books for watch book clubs for discounts, and basically try to pick these up at I don't know, under $10 per training video. IT security. And I don't think it changed anything, did it? Anyhow, let's see. We're doing CCNA, so Cisco CCNA Training Suite. We did CCNA 1, basically. You still need to do 2 to kind of move on to about half the CCNA. After this course, we've probably done less than a quarter of the CCNA. So you do get prepared for the next step if you're ready to take the fast tracks at Westminster. So I did get you kind of started in that direction with this course. For $39, you know, you can take the whole suite, the training suite, which is, I don't know, what's this one? Routing and switching, IPv4 protocol, CCENT certification. So pretty good couple bundle here for $30. You know, if you go back, there's going to be more. There's going to be like the Net Plus, A Plus, Security Plus bundles. Just keep an eye on that. Once again, just Google the Chive University as to where you can find these. And then there's going to be another vendor that's going to be selling these other things, like the Python one. I picked that up. A few other project management ones I picked up too. But a lot of cool stuff that you can see for like $1. You know, you just try it, see if you're good at it. I mean, I'd rather waste $25-30 than jump into a class where I'm paying. I just looked at a class today. I'm paying like over almost $2,600 for a class. So, and then if I have any questions, I usually, you know, if I got to learn something on the fly, hop in one of these. They don't last very long, especially the really cheaper ones. Can we open one? That's all security. What about networking one? Online courses. They used to have a whole suite of the CompTIA ones, which are really cool because then you can, you know, start preparing for CISSP, Security Plus, A Plus, Net Plus to get the. It's skipping me right now. The afternoon. I'm a little bit more slow than the early mornings, but you get the trainings for, you know, a huge discount, and you get kind of a taste for what's coming. If you need like Python, C#, Java. Those type of deals. So anyways, get those on sale. I don't know why it's going slow. I spend $25 and get enough classes to last me about a year. With that, let's see. This week we're working on Lab 25. It does not need a packet tracer. I don't know why it said it needed a packet tracer. But you do not need a packet tracer with this one. Or maybe it does with a packet tracer associated with this lab. Did I not make one? Assignments. I need to look at it as student view. Assignments. Lab 25. Okay, I don't have a packet tracer with this lab. That part does not need to be done. You could do it on a regular PC by opening the command prompt. Remember, if you just open it up regularly, it's going to have your users and George. And then if you open it up in elevated permissions, it's going to have Windows System 32. So 2 different ways to run that. Yeah, I don't know why I put that in there. Maybe I was thinking something else. But it should run anyhow. With that in the computer. Look at the IPv6 address. Yeah, I would assume that even if you looked at IPv6 address on your desktop, this should be just as well too. Or maybe I just that one disappeared. I don't know. But this is the only homework we have for this week. This week is really, I already took 6 minutes out of your time. This week is really preparation for next week, where we're doing the final. We're doing the skills final. You know, there's a, where's it at? The final exam. The skills exam, 2 parts. Remember, you know, set yourself up for success. Practice. The skills practice, you know, change the IPs around. You know, what would happen if you accidentally deleted your router? Can you replace a router? Do you know how to set up the router so you can use it? You know, these are all good questions to start practicing before you go into this. You have like, you know, 2 weeks before this is actually due. Yeah, because it's the Sunday after next. So you have 2 weeks to start preparing and honing your skills just for this test, you know, 15% of your grade. For the CNG 124 final exam, you know, you have 2 weeks to prepare for this. Make sure to hop into CNAP. Get your exams, get your one exam done and your quizzes done, you know, get in there and do them. There's no reason why you should lose 15% of your grade. You know, there's no way getting this back and saying, oh, Professor Lemos, I forgot to do this in 2 weeks' time. That will not fly. Let's see. What else? If you have any late work, get your late work turned in. All that stuff needs to get done before the end of the semester. What the end of the semester looks like is basically Tuesday I'll stop accepting late work. I'll have it all graded Wednesday and then submitted Wednesday night. Therefore, you should see your grades Thursday morning in eWolf on your official transcripts. And if you have any questions or I make any mistakes, make sure you get back in contact with me so I can fix those mistakes. With that, I'll leave you guys at that. You know, look at these last 2 settings or last 2 announcements. They're a great way to approach it in the semester. You know, make your topology, mark your topology. That's all this is about. The skills final is all about having a smooth transition from basically subnetting to packet tracer working. And I've seen students, you know, I know they know this stuff and they didn't do their topology on their packet tracer, made a mistake and wasn't able to fix the mistake and submitted it, and you know, they got dinged pretty hard for that on their final thing. Let's see, Review Lab 15, review the Review Lab, CNAP Quiz and Exam 9, and get late work in. Remember, I'll always be in Google Hangouts, so feel free to reach out then. I'll try to upload a packet tracer real quick to get that in there.